Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I would play into the SPY. As you guys can see, leading into tomorrow's CPI. Again, looking to see if we do get a below 8.0 CPI to see if we do continue on higher. But however, as you guys can see, again, getting a pullback, now testing our 20, dropping just below it. We do have our 20 crossing over our 50, however, dropping below our 20. So we are going to be careful. Again, leading into tomorrow's CPI. Again, if we have a significant decrease in CPI, then we will have a spike. The question is from there, if we can continue on above our channel that we have been getting rejections from. As you guys can see, again, multiple rejections that we have been getting on this channel. So again, looking to see if we do continue on above it, get that bullish candle structure here to see if we do continue on with that momentum. However, leading into tomorrow's CPI has a lot of anticipation of a possible Fed pivot. Again, Tomorrrow, so Wall Street journalist mentioning a possible Fed pivot again a couple Fridays ago, and as you guys can see, we had a spike. We have been anticipating, however, not exactly confirmed. And then we had Powell speaking last week mentioning that CPI in particularly is extremely important. Again, we need that decrease in inflation and bad jobs reports to give us that possibility of a decrease in rates. So I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Now, before I jump into this, if you guys can do me a huge favor, smash that like button if you find this video useful at all. Hit subscribe if you want to see my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the market every single day. We go over candle structure, overall strength levels, and any key indicators that we need to be focused on. And again, if you are a day trader or you are looking for very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instables, and again, we mention any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, again, we have been tracking the dollar as a key indicator that has been moving against the market. Again, looking for weakness on the dollar to look for that strength in the market. Again, we have been getting that weakness. We dropped below our 50. Again, we mentioned this a few days ago. We mentioned that we dropped below our 50 for the second time, showing us weakness. So we have been getting strength in the market. However, not exactly as much strength as we're looking for. As you guys can see on a bounce back here, looking to see if we do get a bearish structured candle here, possibly get an engulfing candle continuing on lower from our level that we continue to get rejections from. So again, looking to see if we drop below 109. Again, this is also a key point that we had a lot of consolidation from. So again, looking to see if we do drop down below this, and then we have another level here at 107. So again, this is the dollar, looking to see if we do continue on with that strength to the downside if we're looking for strength in the market. However, again, as you guys can see, we are bouncing back with an engulfing candle, looking to see if we continue on with that strength. However, our 20 crossing below our 50, looking to see if we continue on with bearish momentum to see if we do bounce back in the market. However, again, if we continue on higher on the dollar, then we will get weakness on the SPY and we could have a major pullback. So again, just making sure we are careful, looking for that bearish setup on the dollar. So looking at the SPY here, again, coming out with our doji candle coming out, we could not even hold our prior gap down that we had. Again, we could not hold this level. We came up, we got rejections, we got a doji candle, and then we continued on lower today. So again, looking to see if CPI does come out again significantly lower than prior at 8.3. In my opinion, dropping below 8.0 would be significant enough for a spike. However, a major pullback leading into CPI. So again, if we do not spike above today's highs on tomorrow's decrease in CPI, we do not digest above today's highs or above 390 here. Again, that rejection that we had when we did continue on higher on this anticipation had a pullback. So looking to see if we continue on with strength above this momentum would be that increase in strength. So again, looking to see if we do just continue on above 390, but again, very much predicated on tomorrow's CPI. Now looking at our overall strength here, again, very key that we look at our strength. As you guys can see, our EMA line's very much setting up for either a major move lower or a major move higher. As you guys can see, currently pointing down. So we are going to be careful playing to the upside, looking for that continuation on momentum. Again, looking to see if we can at least break into higher highs. Again, breaking above our previous high would be even better to continue on with strength. As you guys can see, currently setting up for a possible major move down if CPI is higher than expected. Again, our prior CPIs were lower than expected. As you guys can see, we had a false breakout leading into CPI prior. As you guys can see, leading into jobs reports, having that false breakout on that anticipation. So our question is, are we going to lose that anticipation from Tomorrrow mentioning that possible Fed pivot if CPI comes out higher than expected? And if it does, again, just looking to see if we do bounce off of the lower end of our channel, even if we do continue on lower, in my opinion, very much going to be looking for that weakness in the dollar if we are going to be holding up after a higher than expected CPI. Again, CPI being higher shows us that the Feds have more room to increase rates. And again, Jerome Powell also did mention that he's able to increase rates if he really wanted to, and he's never mentioned that before. So again, just making sure we are careful, looking for confirmation. Again, not respecting our 20 here, so we are going to be careful. Again, playing to the upside, looking to see if we do get more bullish momentum and looking for a better candle structure point from here if we are going to continue on higher. Again, looking for that decrease in CPI tomorrow. Now again, with that said, if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for very volatile breakouts, we mention them every single day in the Instables room. Go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, especially you guys that have it in the comment section, I appreciate you guys very much. Much love to every one of you guys. We're going to take what the market gives us as we always have been, and making sure we just take those consistent plays. Again, nice breakouts today out the gate. One was high risk, one was less high risk, and again, just making sure that we are staying green. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.